Introducing the Milescraft Compact Subbase for laminate trim routers. This compact subbase is ideal for a host of routing applications such as routing profiles along edges, being used along with templates to create signs and decorative inlays, and producing mortises for mortise and tenon joinery. This attachment is compatible with all compact and laminate trim routers, making it the perfect accessory for your routing needs. The kit comes with everything you need to set up the compact subbase for routing. To set up your router, start by determining what orientation you would prefer the handles to be in. The handles in the kit offer 360 degrees of rotation to best suit your comfort and style. Note that if your router already has handles, the ones in the kit will not be necessary. Start by assembling the handles onto the subbase using the included hardware. Next, you will want to remove the existing router plate from the bottom of your router. Then, place the subbase onto your router. The supplied centering pin is designed to fit 1/4 inch, 6mm, and 8mm router collets. Insert the appropriate end into the collet of your router. You will want to line up at least one of the fixed base slots with the screw hole in your router and insert the screws, being careful not to over-tighten them. Also included in the kit are the adjustable slot inserts. These unique inserts rotate within the base and allow for different hole patterns and router sizes. Insert and align the adjustable slot inserts and install the hardware. Place the cover onto the subbase and insert the supplied hardware to secure it. To set the router up for creating mortises, the kit includes 2 mortising pins. Depending on the thickness of your material, the pins need to be mounted as close to the router bit as possible. These pins ride along the outside edges of the workpiece to keep the bit centered. When the pins are not in use, they can simply be mounted to the top of the subbase. Note that the compact subbase is only for creating mortises, not tenons. Next, you will want to set up your bit to the desired depth of your mortise. Make sure that the workpiece is clamped securely to the work table, and then rotate the router until the mortising pins contact both sides of the workpiece, and now you can begin your mortise. The compact subbase offers stability and control when freehand routing or using template kits to create signs, inlays, or other artwork. The subbase can also be used in conjunction with Milescraft's Design Inlay Kit, Sign Pro, and Sign Crafter. The subbase is designed to accept standard 1 3/16 inch bushing guides to be used with these templates. The guides are sold separately and installed simply by placing the guide into the subbase and installing the nut to the backside of the base. For finishing edges, the compact subbase offers a stable and controllable platform over the small and unstable bases of the laminate trim routers. The comfortable grip and size of the base gives confidence that your edges will turn out perfect every time. The compact subbase gives versatility and comfort to this popular group of little routers. The next time you need to create a sign, batch out some mortises, or just put some nice profiles onto a tabletop, grab the Milescraft Compact Subbase and your trim router and get to work. Milescraft, always the better idea.